Are you confused about how to register on the B portal? Don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, apply on the NATS or NAPS portal before the application closing date. After 24 to 48 hours, you will be able to apply on the B portal. Step 1. First, register on the B portal using the same email ID that you have used on the NATS or NAPS portal. Create your password and complete the basic registration. Step 2. Now, log in with the email and password. The application form will open automatically. Step 3. Fill in the personal, education and address details. Just fill all mandatory fields quickly and choose what you are looking for, like apprenticeship, internship or job. Step 4. Click the submit button and then tick the confirmation box, and finally confirm your details again. Your basic application is now done. You will land on your dashboard. Step 5. Go to latest opportunities, check the eligibility, and if shows eligible, you are good to go. If not, apply for another opportunity. Make sure you are using the same email you used on the NATS or NAPS portal. Then, enter your NATS or NAPS ID, upload your required documents, select your preferred state and district, and then click on submit. Pay the exam fees if applicable. Remember, fees are non-refundable. The last step. Here, regularly check your dashboard and My Applied Opportunities section and check your registered email for updates on exams, results, or other notifications. Thank you.